Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a review on this mascara here, which is the Rimmel Scandaleyes Wow Wings. It's a new collection. I believe it's part of like the holographic range because it came out with this, some holographic like shadow highlighters, pencils, and some other eyeliners that I'm actually gonna do another video on. But today I'm going to do a review on this, and I don't know if any of you watch my videos, but I have this mascara here, which is my absolute favourite. It's a L'Oreal mascara. I've not used anything other than this since I bought it. This is the only mascara that keeps my lashes looking wild, like long, separated, volumized, curled. My favourite. So let's try this out. It doesn't claim to be waterproof, and I feel like maybe it might be only waterproof mascaras that hold up on my lashes, because my lashes, I've just about straightened them not long ago and they've already gone straight again. My eyelashes are kind of long and they're straight. As you can see, long and straight. Not that long, but you know, kind of. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to apply this. Now this is $6.99. Rimmel have a 3 for 2 offer right now in Superdrug, so I did get this with a 3 for 2 offer. But it's $6.99, and on here it says, get instant wow wings, wow wing lashes. Start with the winged side to instantly load and flare out your lashes. Then use the curved side to define and achieve a full fan effect. So I'm going to do what it says, and it says on their website, unique two-sided brush, load up with the winged side and flare it with the curved side. Instant bold volumized lashes up to 11 times the volume, lifts and flares out each of your lashes, long-lasting, smudge-proof, flake-proof, easy to remove. Dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. I struggled there, but it's not waterproof, but apparently it's smudge proof, flake proof, and easy to remove. It doesn't say waterproof, so you know, you splash water in your face, it's gonna drip. But anyways, I'm gonna try it out. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna curl my lashes. So let me show you the brush. So when it says the curved side, it means this top here, and the wing side, it means the lower part here. So it wants me to do it this way first, like brush, brush, brush. Then it wants me to flip it over and brush, brush, brush. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's just get going. It's a big brush, so hopefully I don't mess up too bad. With my lashes on this side, they go towards there, so I have to kind of like flake it out. I can already feel mascara on my eyelid. So now I'm just going to do a curved layer, so because I don't want it to dry on me, and I feel like I have to use it while it's wet. So this one kind of separates. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm kind of underwhelmed. I'm very underwhelmed, only because I'm used to having my lashes look phenomenal every day for work, because I use that L'Oreal mascara every day for work, and my lashes look amazing every single time without a doubt, without missing a day. So I'm very underwhelmed. It's not the best. I mean, again, if you have lashes like mine, you probably want a waterproof mascara regardless. Now already I can see just by looking in the mirror that my lashes are going straight already. They're going super straight. So let me just continue with this other eye. I'm just going to do the same thing what I did to this eye. Go with the wing side, and then I'm going to go with the curved side. And just like that, my eyelashes went from curled to straight just by using mascara. So this is it. I wasn't actually expecting miracles. Do you know why? Because I know these kind of mascaras don't work for me. It doesn't matter what kind of mascara it is. I think if it's not waterproof, it's not going to work. Let me just do my lower lashes if I can with the curved side, which is very small bristles. And I'm just going to do my lower lashes quick. There's like bristles on the side, very small bristles, so it makes it easier to do your lower lashes. This is the final outcome. And as you can see, they don't look great. They don't look good at all. Like this side, this is my best eye, okay? We all have best eyes. I know we do. You've got a best brow, you've got a best side, we all have that kind of thing, right? This is my best eye for mascara. Now tell me why it looks so limp. It just looks like, you know? And well, okay, so basically I'm not going to be using that. I'll probably give that to someone whoever wants it. I don't really care. I used it once. That's the first time I'm using it. The last time I'm using it. It's just not working for me. If they do bring out a waterproof version, that's something that I would definitely try, because I feel like that will work. But the thing is, it just depends on the brush and the formula. I used these two mascaras one time. It was the Maybelline Spider mascara and it was the Miss Hippie by L'Oreal, and I used both of them together and my lashes looked amazing, and they weren't waterproof. So it really depends on the brush and the formula. This unfortunately does not work with my eyelashes. As you can see, it looks trash. Like genuinely, my eyelashes look like flies' legs, and I say this every time I do a mascara video. Like, it just doesn't look cute. Like, this look that I have going on, it's meant to be natural and and it just looks dead because my eyelashes don't look good. So I'm probably just going to remove this and put my actual L'Oreal mascara on to finish this entire look, because I want to go out and look nice, and these lashes ain't giving me life, they're not. So do you know what, if you have naturally curly eyelashes or eyelashes that work with any mascara, it'll probably be the one for you. Like I know people that wear different mascaras. Like, it doesn't matter what mascara it is, waterproof or non-waterproof, it just looks great on their eyelashes because they have naturally like lifted, curled lashes. So if you do have those kind of lashes, bless you, you're blessed. This might work for you, but for me, nah, it's just not working. So yeah, it's not for me. I'm not going to use it again, unfortunately, you know. So that's that. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.